Hey guys, this is Divya and I'm back with a video after a long decade. I know I have been inactive, but now in this video I am going to show you how to make sunflower bouquets. So first of all, we will make the central brown circle, for which I have taken a brown pipe cleaner and then I am folding it inwards as shown in the video. Then at the end secure it with hot glue gun. Now let's make petals. For that I have taken a yellow pipe cleaner and cut it into half, and that half part cut it into half again. Now take a part, fold it into half and then secure it by rotating it at the ends and your petal is ready. Make all the petals like this method. After all the petals are ready, it's time to assemble the sunflower. For that, I have taken a sheet and drawn two circles. Now what I'm going to do is place the circle on the smaller circle and then paste the petals on the circle, taking the reference of the bigger circle so that our sunflower is a perfect circle. The flower is ready. Now I am turning the petals of the first layer upwards, which will give it a good look. And now let's make the stem area. I have taken a wooden stick and I am covering it with a green pipe cleaner. It's time to make leaves. Take a green pipe cleaner, fold it into half and then go on folding it like I've shown in the video. I don't know how to explain this. Like you have to take one part and then pass it through the another and fold it and then secure it at the ends. Now I am cutting the leaf from upwards to give it a sharp look and then folding it like this, and our leaf is ready. Making another leaf using the same method. It's time to assemble the sunflower. I am sticking the two leaves by hot glue gun on the stem and then I will stick the sunflower on the stem too. And voila, our sunflower is ready. Now let's make the bouquet. For the bouquet, I have taken a book sheet and then I am painting it with brown paint to give it a vintage or old texture. Let the sheet dry and then fold it like this, like how we fold it while making a fan, and then place the sunflower in between. Secure it with a tape. For the second final part, we will cover the bouquet with a transparent sheet. And lastly, tie a bow with a ribbon. And the bouquet is now completely ready. I hope you loved the tutorial. Do let me know in the comment section which video you want next. So take care and let's meet in the new video. Bye.